G right here, and we are going to get some a oxygen sensor chaser, which I didn't even know existed until I was changing my brother's Montero Sport oxygen sensors and it stripped. I'm like, these stripped too? I still have to fix that blinking light in order to pass inspection, I'm guessing. Now that I am not a New York resident, I don't have no contacts in the new place that I'm moving to, but that will be another video. And I'm so excited for that news because that's gonna open up a lot of doors for me that in New York City are closed. I'm still gonna visit New York City, of course, because I have a lot of family here, but living in New York City, they done me dirty, man. New York City have done me dirty. But I'll get to that in another video. For now, let's go to Advanced Auto Parts and get this oxygen sensor chaser. Advanced Auto Parts, baby. That's nice, man. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah, baby. I got the thread chaser, and I got this one. Actually, like only one of the 18, but they also have a 14. So just in case, you never know, I get another stripped O2 sensor that's size 14. I'm prepared. Oh yeah, I love it. I'm over here at the car wash. I'm waiting on my turn to get this puppy cleaned up for the first time in a long time with a full dust. I mean, look at that purple. That thing is working. I think it's next here. Look at that purple working his way up. You gotta put some muscle into it, bro. Dale, mamá, dale, mamá. Ahí está bien, está bien. You guys have it. I finally took off the wing. As I said, my plans were not to rice this car out. It was a theme car, which was a Batman theme, and really that wing goes if I was to wrap the entire car, which was in the plans. But since I didn't wrap it, now that I put the wing on, it looks kind of out of place, and that is primarily the reason that I took it off, because the wing was a complement to the wrap that I was going to do. Having the wing in the back is just, I mean, it looked cool anyways, but it was out of place based on my plans in my head. You see what I'm trying to say? I don't know if you guys understand. That is it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be doing a lot more maintenance to this car and a lot more fixes now that I have it back on the road and finally get it ready for the Vader. Stick around, smash that subscribe button and the like button. Overall, God bless, stay safe out there, and stay prayed up. Peace.